Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Episode 4 of Weak Hero Class 2 starts with the scene that Seung-jae takes Siyun to a bowling corridor and shows him to Baekjin's office. Siyun enters the office and without even look up, Baekjin asks Siyun to wait. However, Siyun is not here to talk. He warns Baekjin that don't let your people to show up around my friend. If this happened again, I will kill them all. But friends at his warning Baekjin does not argue, and said okay. But in return Baekjin asks Siyun to stop hanging with Hoomin. Both agree on this, and before turning to leave, Siyun helps Baekjin in math question. Then in next scene, Baekjin sends some of his boys to mess with Hoomin's father. As soon as the Hoomin gets this news, he immediately rushes to the restaurant. Friends, those boys sent by Baekjin, they used fake identity cards to buy alcohol at Hoomin's dad's restaurant. They then called the police by claiming that Hoomin's father sold alcohol to minors. After all of this, Baekjin calls Hoomin and tells him, "Come meet me at my place." Friends, the next day, Siyun tells Hoomin that he no longer wants to hang around with you guys. He prefers being alone and does not want to come into the conflict between Hoomin and Baekjin. At the end of the school day, Siyun leaves before everyone. Hoomin also excuses himself by lying that he has a date, but he is going out to meet with Baekjin. Meanwhile, Seung-jae and a group of the Union gang are tasked with hunting down Hyuntak, Juntae, and Siyun. Juntae and Hyuntak run into the Gangak High gang led by Seung-jae. Hyuntak gives Juntae a chance to escape. Two boys chase after him, while Seung-jae and another boy deal with Hyuntak. Juntae runs far enough to call Siyun. But the guys chasing him catch up while he's still on the phone. Even though Juntae tells Siyun to stay away, Siyun decides to rush back and help him. Meanwhile, Hoomin arrives at the bowling alley. A group of Union members try to stop him downstairs, but he quickly manages to scare them into getting directions to Baekjin's office. Baekjin insists that Hoomin should join the union. Baekjin says that he has a plan to turn it into a lucrative business once they graduate. Hoomin calls Baekjin an idiot, saying that he will never join his gang. Baekjin reminds Hoomin that he is the idiot, and Hoomin realizes that the meeting was just to lure him away so the gang could get to Hyuntak. Hoomin wants to beat up Baekjin, but he chooses not to. On the way out, a group of Union gang members try to stop Hoomin, but they are no match for him. Baekjin leaves the office and lets Hoomin go. Hoomin tries to rush to Hyuntak's rescue. Meanwhile, Seung-jae is beating up Hyuntak and enjoying it, while the other gang members live stream the fight. Juntae helplessly watches on the sidelines. During this, Siyun gets the location of the fight from some boys. He runs up to the rooftop just when Seung-jae is about to take a victory picture of the beaten Hyuntak and Juntae. Siyun doesn't wait and goes after Seung-jae. Friends, then, to start a serious fight. Although Seung-jae can throw a punch better than Siyun, Siyun is ruthless in his attacks. His goal is to incapacitate Seung-jae, and he does so using Seung-jae's glasses. Siyun breaks Seung-jae's glasses using the frame to stab Seung-jae's foot. The fight continues, and Seung-jae seems excited. No matter how hard he beats Siyun, he keeps getting up, and his glare never shows fear. Seung-jae resolves to give Siyun a fatal blow, but Siyun reads his mind. He attacks before Seung-jae can, and they both end up on the ground, exhausted. Sirens are heard in the distance. Just then, Hoomin arrives at the rooftop. He rushes to check up on Siyun, who mistakes him for Suho. Siyun tells Suho that he got into another fight and apologizes and then passes out. Thank you so much for watching. For next episode, please like, share and subscribe my channel.